Hello, welcome to this video on triangular numbers. The first one is 1, so we're just going to introduce to what the triangular numbers are. 1. The next number is 3. Look, I get 1 and I add 2, so I've got 3. There we go, 1 and 3. Now, how can I make the next triangular number? Well, I added 2 before to 1. How many do I need to add now, I wonder? How many? That's right, 3. So, I got this one like that, and I've just added an extra 3. So now I've got 6. So 1, 3, 6. Start with 1, add 2 to get 3, add 3 to get 6. Fantastic. Now, let's see what we're going to do next. Well, let me build with these fun big boy number blocks. I'm just making, well, there we are. That's another 6. What do I add to get the next one? Started with 1. I added 2 to get 3. I've got 3. I added 3 to get 6. So now I've got 6. What do I add next? I've got to make it taller every time. So I add 4. Here we go. How many is that? 1, add 2, add 3, add 4. That's right, 10. Well, I wonder what we can do now. Just going to make another one. So there is another 10. And I just need to add, and you've got it, a 5. Lots of fun with these. So I had 1. Oh, I had 1. I added 2 to make 3. I added 3 to make 6. I added 4 to make 10. And what do I add this time? That's right, I add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that makes 15. Should we do one more? Okay. Can you shout out what is the next triangular number going to be? I'm just trying to build it now. So, we've added 1, then we've added 2, then we've added 3, then we've added 4, and then we added 5. What do I need to add now? Oh, I just dropped one there. That's right, we're going to add 6. So, here's my original one. Sorry, the 5th one. That's right, that's 15. I've got to add another 6. So I'll put these together. You can learn so much just by playing with number blocks like this. And hopefully you're better than me at getting them to work. There we go. I've got my 5th number block, adds to 15. Add my 6, and I've got, can I put it together? Yay, 21. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. Way. Right, let's do it together. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. Well, there's lots more we can do, but that's for another time. Thank you.